Hello! In this video, we'll walk you through how to complete the NEIU Foundation's Requisition for Expenditure form. This form is used to request grant, scholarship, or award payments, or to seek reimbursement of Foundation funds. Please follow along carefully to ensure timely and accurate processing of your request. Let's start by completing the General Information section at the top of the form. First, enter the date of the request. This is simply the date you are submitting the form. Next, provide the payee's full contact information. This includes the name, address, city, state, and zip code. The payee can be an individual or a vendor. Here's a helpful tip. If the check should be mailed to a different address than what you've listed here, you can include those details in the Mail Check To section near the bottom of the form. In the case of scholarships that are to be awarded and applied to a student's account, the payee would be financial aid. Now, let's move on to the account and authorization information. It's important to fill out the financial authorization details completely. First, list the specific Foundation account name and number from which the funds will be drawn. Next, you'll need the authorized fund's fiscal agent to provide their information. The fiscal agent is the person authorized to spend the funds for a department or area's Foundation account. They must include their signature, the date, and print their full name and title. For a reimbursement payment to an authorized fiscal agent, the secondary authorized fiscal agent for the fund or the area executive officer must review and provide an approval signature. You will also need to provide a detailed explanation of how the requested funds will be used or were used. Here are some examples of what this might look like. To cover catering costs for the annual scholarship luncheon on October 25th, 2025. Or honorarium payment for guest speaker Dr. Jane Doe, October 15th lecture. Or students receiving DLG scholarship for fall 2025. Signed award acceptance and thank you letters attached, followed by the student's first and last name and school ID number. There are several important considerations for this section. If the expenditure is related to an event, please clearly identify the event name in the space provided and attach supporting documentation such as an event flyer, vendor invoice, or catering receipt. If the payment is for an honorarium or professional services, please provide a completed W-9 form for the payee. If the payment is for a grant, scholarship, or award payable to the student's financial aid account, under the Use and Purpose of Funds section, please provide the student's full name, the school ID number, and the semester to which the award should be applied. And if the payment is for a scholarship that requires an acceptance and thank you letter from the scholarship recipient, please kindly remember to attach those. Next, let's talk about delivering a check. You'll need to select one of the following delivery methods and complete the required details. Option 1. Check delivery via inter-office mail. Indicate the individual and department location for internal delivery. Option 2. Hold a check for pickup. Specify the contact person and include their email address. An email will be sent when the check is ready for pickup. We are located in the Saks Administrative Building, also known as the C Building, on the 6th floor in room C613. Or Option 3, mailing a check. Please provide the full mailing address if the check is to be mailed externally. Please note, payments are void after 90 days if not cashed or picked up, and all payments are mailed unless otherwise indicated by the requester. Please remember to attach all relevant documents to support your request. This includes invoices, receipts, registration forms, scholarship award acceptance and thank you letters, or contracts. Once your form is complete, ensure that all sections are filled out accurately. Then, submit the signed form and supporting documentation via email to the email addresses listed on screen. When submitting requisitions to award scholarships, please also include j-gun1@neiu.edu. Here are a few additional notes and processing information items to keep in mind. Requisitions are processed twice per month. Please refer to the current NEIU Foundation payment schedule for more details. Where possible, please use the Foundation's State of Illinois tax-exempt letter when making purchases. Before you submit your form, let's review this quick checklist. Have all required fields been completed? Did you provide a detailed explanation under Use and Purpose of Funds? Are your supporting documents attached? Did you obtain both required signatures? Have you selected a delivery method and included contact information? And if applicable, did you initial the ethics statement? Thank you for watching. We appreciate your partnership in this process. Following these steps carefully will help ensure your requisition is processed quickly and accurately.